Meaning of hypochondriacal.
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 Hypochondriacal. The word hypochondriacal refers to someone who is excessively preoccupied with their health, constantly worrying about having a serious illness despite not having any notable symptoms. This condition is known as hypochondria, or illness anxiety disorder. Individuals with hypochondria often experience distress and impairment in their daily lives due to their anxious thoughts. They may seek repeated medical examinations or avoid seeking medical attention altogether out of fear of confirmation of a serious illness. Treatment options for hypochondria include cognitive behavioral therapy and medication to manage anxiety and depression.